exploring Koreatown during the evening. So napakadalang lang namin gawin to as a family, and good thing guys, meron kaming papagstayan dito sa May Angeles City, and that is Elyseah Condotel. Where are we staying, ma'am? 207. Alright, all good? Let's go guys! Sing Sing! It's a Korean supermarket guys, one of our most recommended supermarket that you must visit when you go to Angeles City, particularly Koreatown.
아니 그러면
Okay. Excited.
역시 계단 오른쪽 계단들 나왔거든요.
This grocery store is so big guys. It is so many options. Dami. So may mga Filipino ano rin para products. But mostly guys, it's imported. It's Korean groceries. Aloe vera. Oh, Dr. Aloe. Today's peach. I want to try this. I want to try this.
Dad, no see.
I see parang good stuff, but like
Yung anong hinahanap mo?
Turmeric.
Oh,
For you.
wow.
Options.
So what are you looking for?
Hindi. Si Luis.
Oh, no, I mean, what are you looking for to buy?
I see English woman.
Punta muna sa mga naka-sale.
Oh,
Tayo
what
dapat
is
kasi
this?
50% off. So, kumuha
Oh,
kami
yeah.
isang apple, isang green apple, and ano kaya to? Mango?
Let me see. Yeah, I think so. It's mango.
Gusto mo yan?
Ginseng.
Per piece, 82 pesos.
How much?
82.
Grabe, ano kaya lasa nito? Ano kaya lasa nito?
Instead of chips, kumuha kami ng nuts. Pero hanap tayo na explore tayo ng noodles na lang.
Here's our basket so far. This one's mine.
Yeah. This one is for the movie.
Mami, ato na lang walang nakita ko cup.
High five, bro.
Walang nakita ko cup. Dapat meron pa pa.
Okay. So nakita ko yung isang Korean guys. Ang dami niyang kinuha ng ganito. So I'm gonna try it. This one. So I think he took like 5 of each ng ganito.
Wow, yeah.
So I think I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
Hindi, yung sa
Ano ba yan?
Koreano.
Oh.
Tiglima yung kinuha niyang ganito.
So ano ba yan? Yogurt?
Strawberry
Oh,
drinks.
sige. Sige. Let's try it.
Let's try it. Sure face, baby.
Akala mo lang binili pa.
Sana meron. Sir, meron ba? Wala na? Close? Close.
Close?
Oh, doon. Lakarin natin. Oh. Naghahanap kami ng corn dog. Hello po. Ayan, so naghahanap kami ng corn dog dahil gusto tikman ni Isa. Napakaganda na may mga ganitong lugar sa Angeles, no? Yung Koreatown. Anyway, later na lang kasi medyo maingay yung audio.
We have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day.
Welcome to Elyseah Condotel, located dito po sa May Angeles City. This is the first time we're gonna be featuring this one, and they gave us yung family room. If you notice guys, meron tayong dalawang beds dito, and then upstairs you have your master's bedroom. So we're gonna go upstairs later on, but let's tour muna kung ano yung makikita ninyo dito sa first level nila. So in here, ayan, you have your usual kitchen utensils and appliances. Refrigerator, meron kayong induction cooker, microwave oven, at saka water heater. And then meron tayong toilet and bath dito, table and chair dito. And then here is your entertainment. Guys, I'm gonna go upstairs. Yeah. Yeah, so this is like a queen size bed. Thank you, Elyseah.
Thank you, Elyseah.
Thank you, Elyseah. I must say na isa to sa mga staycation na talaga nag-stay kami sa loob. Hopefully guys, you can check this out. Yeah, thank you so much, Elyseah Condotel. Cheers!